Welcome to this quick guide where I'm going to show you how to view an email without opening it in Microsoft Outlook. And if you get any value out of this video, please click the like button and subscribe to the channel. But to get started with the guide, if you want to view an email without opening it, basically you want to have this reading pane here on the right. To get this, you can click on File, then click on Options, then click on Mail. And then here you need to find Outlook panes and you need to click on Reading pane. Now here you'll have a few options. The first one says mark items as read when viewed in the reading pane. You can deselect that if you don't want the item to be marked as read when you view it in the reading pane. And then you can also deselect this option that says mark item as read when selection changes. And then you can click on this which says always preview messages. Then click on OK and then click on OK again. Now, if I select any of these unread emails, like this one for example, I can see its contents here on the right. And you can also find this line right here and then hover your mouse over it and click and drag. So you can make the reading pane bigger. For me, it's already on the max, but what you can do here is where you see these folders, your email folders, there should be this small little arrow right there, which you can click on, and it's going to collapse all of those folders and then also make the reading pane bigger so you can see and read the email without it becoming unread in your inbox. So if I click on any of these other mails, you'll see that this email still stays unread and I can view the entire contents of this email right here. And if I go to any of these other emails, I can also read them here in the reading pane. So I hope this guide's been useful. If you have any questions, just leave a comment down below and I'll see you in the next one.